prayer is a powerful tool for self-transformation and manifestation. However, what is the best way to unlock its power? Neville Goddard, the spiritual teacher and mystic, had a unique and profound approach to prayer. In this video, we will discuss his technique for unlocking the power of prayer and how it can be used for self-transformation and manifestation. We will explore how to use mental imagery and affirmative prayer to manifest your desires, as well as how to use the law of assumption and the law of attraction to enhance your prayer experience. Finally, we will explain why surrender and gratitude are crucial for unlocking the power of prayer. By the end of this video, you will have a comprehensive understanding of Neville Goddard's technique for unlocking the power of prayer. When it comes to utilizing the transformative power of prayer, few have been as influential as Neville Goddard. Neville Goddard was a spiritual teacher who believed that the power of prayer could be used to manifest one's desires in life and achieve self-transformation. His teachings on prayer have changed many lives and continue to do so today. According to Neville Goddard, prayer is not about pleading or beseeching a higher power for help. Rather, it is a process of tapping into our own inner divinity and utilizing the creative force within us. This means that when we pray, we are engaging. Neville Goddard's technique of mental imagery and affirmative prayer is an effective method for self-transformation and manifestation. This technique combines the power of prayer, visualization, meditation, faith, and the law of attraction to bring your dreams into reality. Here's how you can use this powerful tool. First, engage all of your senses by creating an immersive experience in your mind. Visualize yourself in the center of your desired reality. Feel what it would be like to be there, smell what it smells like, and taste what it tastes like, as if it were real. Allow yourself to fully feel the corresponding emotions associated with attaining this desire. Focus on joy, gratitude, and excitement for its manifestation. The next step is speaking positive, present tense statements that affirm that your desire is already fulfilled. I am feeling joyous now that I have achieved my dream, or I'm grateful for having achieved my goal. Neville Goddard recommends diving deeper into specific steps, such as focusing more on how achieving a certain goal makes you feel than on actually achieving it, or repeating a single affirmation over and over again until you reach a state where no other thought can enter your mind. The most important part when using this technique is having unwavering faith. Believe without doubt that the universe conspires to bring about whatever you desire with absolute certainty. Release any doubts or fears you may have about achieving this goal. Instead, focus all of your energy towards seeing only one outcome: success. Hold steadfastly to a vision of what's possible, even if things don't seem likely right now. Visualize success in vivid detail before sleep, when the subconscious mind is most receptive, utilizing visualization techniques combined with affirmative prayers. Neville Goddard, a spiritual teacher and leader in the law of attraction movement, has developed an incredibly powerful technique that can help us achieve our desired outcomes. His teachings can teach us how to align our thoughts and beliefs with desired outcomes through affirmations, surrendering to divine intelligence, and cultivating gratitude. To start, it is important to learn how to use affirmations as a tool for self-transformation. Affirmations are powerful statements that declare an outcome as if it has already been manifested. For example, if we want more money in our lives, we can say, "I am so grateful for all the abundance I now have," or "my income is increasing every day." By repeating these statements multiple times per day with faith and conviction that they will come true, we attract money into our lives. The next step is immersing yourself in the feeling by cultivating emotions associated with desired outcomes, such as excitement or joy. This heightens your vibration even before manifestation takes place. It also helps to cultivate gratitude towards the universe for providing guidance during the manifesting process, which makes prayers more effective. Finally, another key point in unlocking the power of prayer is surrendering oneself to the divine intelligence of the universe. Trust that the universe knows the best way for desires to be fulfilled, even without attachment to specific details or timelines. With consistent practice of Neville Goddard's techniques combined with persistence, we can find ourselves living life to its full potential. We'll explore how to incorporate affirmations, cultivate an attitude of gratitude, and surrender to divine guidance in order to access the power of prayer. It's important to remember not to treat these techniques as rigid rules, but rather as tools for personalization according to one's intuition. One way we can start is by exploring the concept of assumption, which Neville Goddard believes is the key to manifesting our desires. This involves taking on a mental state that you have already received what it is that you are asking for, rather than thinking about what it would feel like when it arrives. When praying with this mindset, visualize yourself living in a reality where your desire has already been fulfilled. Get into detail about how your life looks and feels different now. In order for this technique to be effective, consistency is key. Therefore, daily practice with persistence and unwavering faith will result in powerful transformation over time. As part of this process, always be open and receptive to any signs, synchronicities, opportunities, or intuitive nudges along your path. They could lead towards amazing blessings. Finally, express gratitude throughout your journey. Writing down daily affirmations of appreciation will act as a powerful magnet, attracting more blessings into reality, so make sure not to overlook them. By harnessing the power of the assumption, you can gain access to a mindset that will bring abundance into your life. The assumption is a belief that we already have what we desire, regardless of our current circumstances. It goes beyond mere wishful thinking and requires us to fully embody the thoughts, feelings, and behaviors of our desired reality. This process begins with visualization, picturing yourself in this desired state as if it has already happened. When visualizing desired outcomes, it's important to immerse yourself in the assumption that it has already happened and let go of any doubts or limiting beliefs. Neville Goddard's technique for self-transformation and manifestation provides further guidance on how to focus on your goal while also remaining open to unexpected possibilities that may arise as a result. Another way to reinforce this state of assumption is through daily affirmations crafted with unwavering conviction that they are true. These affirmations should focus on specific goals rather than general wishes. For example, I am an accomplished writer rather than I want more success. As part of this process, it's also important to show gratitude for both present blessings and future manifestations. This core attitude acts as a powerful magnet, attracting more abundance into your life. By following these steps and fully committing yourself to cultivating an abundant mindset through Neville Goddard's teachings, you will be able to unlock the power of transformation and manifestation within yourself. Neville Goddard's technique for self-transformation and manifestation is a powerful spiritual practice that can help you create the life of your dreams. The key to unlocking this power lies in assumption, taking on the mental state and beliefs of having what we desire. The process begins with visualization, picturing our desired outcomes as if they already exist. When visualizing, it's important to also assume ourselves living, breathing, and embodying those realities. This means feeling joy, peace, love, all the feelings associated with having those things already in our lives. Visualizing is not enough. It must be coupled with an assumption that these things are real now for them to become reality in time. Daily affirmations can be created which reflect an assumption that our wishes are already true. By repeating such statements with conviction, we strengthen our alignment with these desires. Affirmations should be specific and written in the present tense, as if they were already true. I am abundant, rather than I will be abundant. This reinforces the idea that what we desire is here now or will soon come into fruition without denying current circumstances or pretending challenges don't exist. Instead, it is about focusing on the reality you wish to create while trusting in the universe to bring your desires into physical manifestation. By unlocking Neville Goddard's technique for self-transformation and manifestation through assumption, you can begin creating a life filled with abundance today. Combining assumption, visualization, affirmation, and other techniques, Neville Goddard developed this effective prayer technique to manifest our desires. Below, we will explore how this practice works and how it can be used to create a better life for yourself. Goddard's approach to prayer is based on the belief that we are the co-creators of our own reality. Thus, embracing the power of prayer can help us positively transform our lives before our very eyes. By assuming that what you want is already yours, or what Neville called the law of assumption, your focus shifts from lack to abundance, allowing you to experience your desired result more easily. Additionally, visualizing your goal as if it has already happened and affirming these images with faith are two essential steps in this process. Of course, everyone will form their own opinion on how they interpret Goddard's teachings, regardless of what he said or believed. Nonetheless, analyzing his ideas helps reach a better understanding of this unique approach towards conscious creation, which has inspired many people all over the world over time. By unlocking its potential benefits, one can discover why so many have followed his methodology when it comes to self-transformation through prayer into the reality they desire most. Ultimately, unlocking the power within us with Neville Goddard's technique allows us to tap into spiritual forces that can help us realize any goal or dream we may have